New leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra alongside the Galaxy S23 Ultra offer an early glimpse, showcasing design tweaks and upgrades. Before Samsung officially releases the Galaxy S24 Ultra, some pictures in the phone have been leaked. These images give us an early look at the new flagship and show how it's different from the previous model, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A tipster named Ice Universe shared these pictures, and they reveal changes in the design and give us a glimpse of the expected features of the device. Let's explore what's new and different in Samsung's flagship for 2024. The pictures that got leaked show that the Galaxy S24 Ultra has some small but noticeable design changes. Specifically, the speaker opening at the bottom looks different, and now there are two speaker and mic holes at the top instead of just one like before. The bottom speaker now has a sleek, strip-like, pill-shaped design. When we compare the two phones, it seems like the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slimmer. It's now 8.6mm thick, which is less than the 8.9mm thickness of the previous model. On the right side of the phone, you'll find the volume buttons and a power button. These buttons are a bit thicker compared to the ones on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. One big change in the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the material used for its frame. In pictures, it's expected to make the phone feel better. Also, the S Pen, which is the stylus for the phone, has a new design at its base. It's flatter now, and when you put it inside the phone, it blends in more smoothly with the phone's body. When it comes to the frame of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's rumored to be made of titanium instead of aluminum. Although we can't see this change in the leaked pictures, you'll be able to feel it when you hold the phone. The way it feels in your hand will tell you that it has a titanium frame, not aluminum. The person who shared these pictures also mentioned some details about the phone, like how big the battery is and how many megapixels the main camera has. Surprisingly, these things are not going to change from the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Actually, many of the technical specifications will stay the same in Samsung's new Galaxy S phones, and this might be disappointing for fans who are hoping for big upgrades. What do you think about the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.